This is Emhape Tech with new video. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is one of the biggest phones Samsung's ever made, not to mention one of the best, and there's no doubt that the company will follow it up later in 2018 with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 was announced on August 23 and released in September, while the short-lived Samsung Galaxy Note 7 followed a similar schedule the previous year. Whenever it does arrive, it's sure to be expensive. The Galaxy Note 8 retails for $929, £869, 1,499 Australian dollars, and we can't see Samsung lowering the price for the Note 9, especially now Apple has pushed smartphone prices even higher with its iPhone X. There are only a few Samsung Galaxy Note 9 rumors so far, but we have a good idea of the sorts of things we want to see from it, such as the following. 1. An in-screen scanner. 2. Room-filling sound. 3. Better Bixby. 4. 2-day battery life. 5. Improved face scanning. 6. A similar price. 7. Even less bezel. The front of the Galaxy Note 8 is almost all screen, but there's still a sliver of bezel at the top and bottom. We'd like to see Samsung reduce or remove that for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, perhaps along the lines of the Essential phone or the iPhone X. Doing so would allow what's always going to be a very big phone to be a bit more manageable, without having to shrink the screen. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.